Intract app comes up with a feature named events where you can create the different events you have scheduled for the students in your institution. For that, click on the event feature on Intract app and then click on the add sign at the bottom right corner. Then give it a title, select the venue or type in the venue, give a description and select the start date time. And the end time as well. Then if you have any media to attach, you can attach the media as well, or click on submit and create an event for everyone in the institution. Thank you.